Good morning children. Today we are going to see the chapter fraction. Today we are going to see fraction. Fractions means part of a whole. We actually use the fraction. One pizza is there. This is the pizza means if you are 2 person is there means make it as a 2 portions means one object you make it as a 2. 1 by 2 means half. 1 by 2 means half. 1 you divided into as a 2 part as 1 by 2. Same way, the same pizza, this is half. The same pizza, you make it as a 3 equal parts means this is one pizza is divided into 3 parts. One part is divided into as a 3 part. This is 1/3. Okay, otherwise you write it as third. 1/3. 1/3 of the pizza. Another one is 1/4. You divided into one pizza into 4 parts. One-fourth. 1/4. This is half. This is third. 1/3. This is fourth. This is half. This is third. 3 parts. You divided the same pizza into 3 parts. One pizza is divided into how many parts? 3 parts. The same way 1/4. One pizza you are divided into 4 parts. The part of the whole we actually use the fraction. If we are using these fractions in the dividing the equal parts into how many you want, you divided equally, that is called as a fraction. By 4, the up the one number is there, no? This is numerator, below number is say it as denominator. The up number you are going to say as a numerator, below number is there, you are say as denominator. Up is numerator, the down number is you say it as the denominator. Now we are going to see like fraction, unlike fraction, like fraction and unlike, like fraction, unlike fraction. Now we are going to see. Like fraction means 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 4 by 3. All the denominators are same, means that is like fraction. All the denominators are same, that is like fraction. Denominator is different. Color the half of this picture. Half is given, no? You color the half of the picture. Here 2 by 4. In the 4 part, you are going to color the 2 part. Here 8 part is there. You are going to color the 4 part. Here 16 part is there. You are going to color 8 part. But all are equal parts you are shared. So that 1 by 2 equal to 2 by 4 equal to 4 by 8 equal to 8 by 16. If colored different parts, but you are shaded the equal parts only. See the first picture, 1 by 2. In this 2 part, you are going to shaded the 1 part. Below next one, 4 part is there. You are shaded 2 part. That is also equal to the first picture. The next picture, you are going to colored the 4 boxes of the out of 8 boxes. The 4 boxes is also equal to the before picture. The same way next one, 8 boxes you are shaded, that is also equal to the up. All of them understood, children? The equal parts only you are going to color so that both the 4 pictures are equal. Color the following fraction. Here 2 by 4 is there. In the 4 part you are going to shaded the 2 part. Here 2 part is there. You are going to shaded the 1 part. See this picture, ma? Both are same only. This is also half part. This is also half part shaded. So that both are equal. The same way here 3 by 4 is given. So that you are going to shaded the 3 part. Here 8 part is there. In this 8 part you are going to shaded the 6 part only. 4, 5, 6. Both are same or not, ma? Good, children. Both are equal. Up to one picture having 4 part, you are going to shaded. You are shaded the 2 part. The same picture 1 by half 2 part is there. That is also you are shading 1 part, but both are equal. The same only 4 part is there. You are shaded the 3 part. The next picture 8 part is there. You are shaded the 6 part. Both are equal shaded part. What part of these shelves has book? Given 2 fraction for it. How many? In this boxes 1, 2, 3, 4 shelves is full of books. 2 shelves only toys is there. As the question is asking, give 2 fraction for it. You take it and draw the only bookshelves. How many shelves required the book, ma? 4 out of 6. 4 shelves out of 6. One fraction is 4 shelves out of 6. In this, you take this shelf. If you are This two shelves you join means the same way this two shelves you are going to join means how many shelves is there ma totally? 1, 2, 3. 3 shelves totally. How many shelves having book ma? 1, 2 shelves having the book. First, how many shelves having book ma? 4 shelves having book. So that 4 out of 6. If you are arranging this shelf, these two shelves arranging as a one shelf, these two shelves you are arranging into the one shelf means total number of shelves how many ma? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. The toys one shelf, 2 shelves having books. So that 2 by 3. All of them understood? How will you write the two fractions for it? Good children. Thank you children.